everybody, TechDadHD here, and what we're going to talk about today is this new Ballie from Samsung. So if you guys didn't check out CES 2020, definitely do so. There's a lot of great gadgets and things coming out in 2020. A lot of car things, a lot of things that might not even come out, but just it's cool to see the progression of technology and how certain companies are growing in that. They had a Sony car out there, which was pretty neat, which that car will probably never be able to go on the road, but it just shows you what Sony is capable of doing with the technology in the cars. I mean, you got the full screens across the whole dash, and you know, you're not supposed to text and drive, but try to even watch the road when you got all these screens in front of you. I love it. But anyways, but there's a lot of cool things out there that was part of CES, but I just want to touch base on this little thing called Ballie, because it's kind of cool, but it's kind of creepy in the same sense. Just think of something, if you don't like to be followed around all the time at home or wherever you're at, you're not going to like this thing. This thing follows you around. Your every move, watches you what you do, gets things going for you, gets things started for you. You're sleeping in the morning, the thing comes in, and if you have a smart home where you have the windows and your TV and everything that's set up in a smart home, because that's the only way this thing really is operable, if it has things to connect to. So just think, like, you're sleeping, this thing comes in at 7:30, whatever time you wake up, opens the blinds for you, wakes you up, a little bit of some music, and then it just follows you around the house and takes pictures of you. It's kind of creepy, but some people think it's cool. It might be cool if you look at it, get one in your house and actually try it. And with the video, they have this thing picking up, the dog laying there, and then it turns this TV, which again, this TV is vertical to horizontal. It changes. I don't know why they made that. People just need to take videos in landscape and stop taking videos in vertical, and we wouldn't have a problem. But this dog is watching this TV show, and this Ballie thing is recording it, sends a notification to the owner, and the owner looks at her phone and sees her dog watching TV through this Ballie thing. Kind of weird, kind of cool in the same sense, but how much privacy are we not having anymore? We don't have much privacy in this world, especially with our cell phones. But now this little robot thing that's like the size of a grapefruit is going to be following us around to look at things, turn TVs on for us. Our normal day that we do is going to recognize what we do and just try to incorporate everyday life with this thing. It's great if you get the vacuum, because again, the dog knocks over this bowl of cereal, looks like Fruity Pebbles or something, look really good. Signs to the little, whatever vacuum that was to come clean it. The vacuum cleans it, sends it back to the charging station, and it's cleaned up before the homeowner gets back in the house. And that'd be pretty cool. But again, this thing is, it's going in the right direction, but it just seems like we're losing more and more of our own privacy. And pretty soon, if you get a smart home capability of everything, we're going to forget how to do things, and we're going to be stupid. So sometimes you might have to be smart to have a smart home, kind of like a smartphone. If you don't know how to operate the smartphone, you shouldn't have one. So anyway, that's my little take on that. But man, what do you guys think of this little Ballie thing? I mean, do you think it's something that you'd want? Do you think something that it might be taking more privacy away from people to hack into this little machine thing and actually control it and just watch you throughout your whole day? I mean, people can do that now, but this little Ballie thing gives you more versatile type things to go in the bedrooms and stuff like that, where you think the thing is just following you around and you can just say hi to it and be happy. But what do you think about it? You guys want to get one of these things when they come out? Do you like them? Do you think Samsung did something good with it? And again, CES 2020 just rolled out, and they have a bunch of new products coming out, and they tested a few things. So I definitely want to do a couple reviews on some of the items that I really enjoyed watching. I wish I was there. Maybe in the next year or something I can get there. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And I'm going to be posting some more videos about the CES 2020 in the coming weeks. So definitely make sure you check those out. Thank you again and have a great day. Peace.